In Unix-based system, do you know that once you boot up your system, this directory named proc in the root directory is created, where the system stores the processes and all those information about processes in this directory. So I am currently in that directory. If I ls here, you see some numbers and stuff like that. So here I have another terminal. So if I type ps take au, mean I want to show the processes that are here running for my user. So here you see different numbers and the PID. So here we have the 812, and here you see we have directory named with that PID. So I can cd to that, like um, cd to that directory, and here we have more information like where the executable path is and the user that is executing, and memories and environment variables and stuff like that. So let's say how many process currently we have. So if I we can do that by typing ls and piping that to the wc and counting. And now if I start another process, let's start the php development server, port 8080. Now if I do the same thing in the process directory, you see now we have 30 items in this directory because we have added or started another process. Now if I control c this, mean cut it, and if I ls again here, you see it again 29 because we have shut down the process. So this means that whenever you start a process, it's going to create a directory for that and store all the information regarding that process inside that directory. And once you boot up your system, this proc directory is created and all those information is stored in this. And once you shut down your system, this is going to destroy all those information. And once you start a process, it's going to create a directory based on that process ID. And once the process is finished and terminated, then that directory is terminated or deleted from that process directory.